Hey guys, today I've got a Frigidaire 21 cubic foot stand-up freezer or upright freezer. It's in excellent shape here. I'm going to show you that it is cold at temperature, freezing like it's supposed to. So right in between my two red dots there, this surface temperature gun will take a temperature reading or whatever you're pointing those dots at. It's about 63, 64 degrees on the outside this freezer here. So we'll go ahead and open it up. It's nice and ice cold here. Grab some pictures for the ad, but you can see anywhere from about -3 to -10. Kind of depends on where I'm shining this. Of course, the longer I stand here with this door open, it's going to go up. Then I've got just a bottle of water, frozen. So I'll have it plugged in. You'll be able to check it all out when the buyer comes to pick it up. Everything's in excellent condition. All the shelves and all that are good to go. Of course, you have a little thermostat down there. You can control that coldness, and it will get down to -20, 25. I haven't really had it plugged in that long, about 4 hours, I believe. So that's gonna be it on here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll have all the details in the post description. So you guys have a great day. Thanks.